I'll be showing you how easy it is to wire up a relay, and I'll quickly show you how to do it. Now in this demonstration there is actually no voltage flowing through this, and be very careful if you do mains wiring. It's best to contact an electrician and get them to do it for you rather than having a fire or even giving yourself an electric shock. So let's get straight into the video. So to wire a relay, there's usually a thing here. So this is normally closed and this is normally open, which means nothing will flow between these two unless there's a current flowing through one of these pins. So this is channel 3, as you can see there. So if you apply channel 3 here in 3 to 0 volts, this relay will switch this contact off and make this contact closed. So that will be open, that will be closed. Currently this is normally closed, so yeah, that connects there. So what you want to do usually in most cases is you have the wire that's coming in, so this wire here, and you just want to unscrew this, and there you go. So this can be the power wire. This would either come from your mains cord going to the wall outlet, or it would come from whatever you're powering, your power supply. Then if you wire in this one, which, well, this contact here is the contact for where the current from here will come through when this is closed. But if you want something to be always on and switch off when you want it to, you put it here. So I'll just quickly unscrew that. Sorry about the camera, not the best setup. I'm working on it. Alright, there we go. So basically, if current was flowing through these wires and I had switched pin 3 to on, these two would short together, or currently these two would be shorted together. So bear in mind that, because sometimes you can stuff it with that. Here's another one. Again, you just unscrew the contact and push the wire in. Now some relays you can get that way you can solder to the relay itself, whereas most of them these days are where you have this. I recommend getting a screw terminal one because it is easier than soldering, and the solder joints won't come off as easily. Alright, so that's all I have to say today about relays and how to use them. But as I said, you need to apply 5 volts to VCC, 0 volts to ground, basically ground to ground, and these pins will always, to pull them high, which means for these two to short, they need to be pulled to 5 volts, and to pull them low, that means you'll have these two shorting. So bear in mind that in case you're doing any projects with these types of relays. By the way, this is a 4-channel relay module. You can get larger, I think up to 32, but bear that in mind also. Alright, thanks for listening guys, and I'll see you in the next one.